Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has accused Conservative Leader Pierre Poilievre of trying to scare Canadians over the cost of living and offering no solutions to the challenges they face. Trudeau made the remarks on Monday in Hamilton, Ontario, where he announced a $64 million partnership with the city to build and repair 214 affordable housing units. He said Poilievre's message is one of anger, fear, and cuts that would hurt Canadians instead of helping them. Trudeau said, "His answer to everything is cuts and be angry. That's not Canada. That's not how we build a stronger future. That's not how we've gotten through the challenging times we've had in the past." Trudeau criticized Poilievre for opposing the new federal dental care program, which he said has allowed hundreds of thousands of families to send their children to the dentist for the first time. He also defended his government's record on tackling inflation, which dropped from 8.1% in June 2022 to 2.8% in June 2023, according to Statistics Canada. Trudeau said, "We have been there to support Canadians through this pandemic, and we will continue to be there every step of the way as we rebuild better." Poilievre fired back at Trudeau later on Monday, saying that housing is a federal responsibility and that the Liberals have failed to address the housing crisis that has made homeownership unaffordable for many Canadians. He said Trudeau is out of touch with the reality of rising costs for food, gas, shelter, and other essentials. Poilievre said, "He's trying to distract from his record of failure by attacking me personally. But Canadians are not fooled. They know that he has no plan to make life more affordable for them." Poilievre has made the cost of living his main campaign theme since becoming the leader of the Conservatives in February 2023. He has promised to lower taxes, cut red tape, unleash free enterprise, and restore fiscal responsibility if he becomes Prime Minister. A number of polls show the Conservatives' lead over the Liberals widening as Canadians prepare for a possible federal election in 2024. The latest Nanos research poll, conducted between July 28 and August 1, gave the Conservatives 38% support, followed by the Liberals with 31%, the NDP with 18%, the Bloc Québécois with 6%, and the Greens with 5%. Please subscribe my channel for getting regular videos.